An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. After explaining the meaning of this proverb, it teaches how to apply it to life, overcome difficulties, attract luck, and achieve success. Welcome to today's video tutorial, where we'll be discussing the wise old proverb, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. This timeless saying reminds us that it's much easier and more effective to prevent problems from occurring in the first place than it is to fix them once they've occurred. First, let's break down the meaning of this proverb. Essentially, it's telling us that a small amount of effort put into preventing a problem can save a great deal of time, energy, and resources that would otherwise be spent trying to fix the problem after it has already happened. In other words, being proactive is far more efficient and effective than being reactive. Now that we understand the meaning of this proverb, let's see how we can apply it to our lives to overcome difficulties, attract luck, and achieve success. There are countless situations where this principle can be applied, but we'll focus on a few key areas: health, relationships, and career. Starting with our health, the principle of prevention is incredibly important. By taking small, proactive steps to maintain our health, we can significantly reduce the risk of illness and injury. For example, maintaining a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep are all simple, daily actions that can lead to long-term health benefits. Other preventative measures, like getting regular checkups and taking vitamins, can also help protect our bodies from potential issues. Moving on to relationships, the same concept of prevention applies. Open communication, trust, and understanding are all crucial elements of any successful relationship. By regularly checking in with our partners, friends, and family, and addressing any issues before they escalate, we can maintain strong and healthy connections. It's also important to establish boundaries and practice self-care, which can help prevent burnout or resentment in our relationships. When it comes to our careers, being proactive can make all the difference in achieving success. Planning ahead, setting goals, and continually learning new skills can help prevent stagnation and open up new opportunities for growth. Additionally, by fostering strong relationships with colleagues and networking within our industry, we can create a supportive environment that helps us navigate challenges more easily. Now let's talk about overcoming difficulties. When we face a problem, it can be tempting to focus solely on finding a solution. However, by taking a step back and examining the root cause of the issue, we can often identify ways to prevent similar problems from occurring in the future. This not only helps us solve the immediate issue but also strengthens our ability to avoid similar difficulties down the road. Attracting luck is often seen as a mysterious, elusive concept. However, adopting a preventative mindset can actually increase our chances of experiencing good fortune. By consistently taking small, proactive steps in various aspects of our lives, we create a solid foundation for success. This preparedness can lead to more opportunities, better decision-making, and ultimately, greater luck. Finally, let's discuss how to apply the ounce of prevention principle to achieve success. Success is often the result of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. However, it's important to recognize that it's not just about putting in the effort, it's about putting in the right effort. By focusing on proactive measures that prevent issues from arising, we can save ourselves time and energy that would otherwise be spent on damage control. In conclusion, the proverb, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, is a powerful reminder of the importance of being proactive in our lives. By applying this principle to our health, relationships, and careers, we can overcome difficulties, attract luck, and achieve success more easily. Remember that small, consistent actions can have a significant impact on our overall well-being and success. So, take the time to invest in prevention and reap the benefits of a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.